A few years ago, starting a business online usually meant spending money first. People needed expensive cameras, graphic designers, websites, editors, advertising budgets, and sometimes entire teams just to compete. That is why so many people never even tried. But in 2026, artificial intelligence completely changed the game. Right now, one person with a laptop and internet connection can launch a business from their bedroom with almost no upfront cost. AI tools can write content, generate designs, build websites, automate customer support, edit videos, create voiceovers, manage emails, and even help with coding. The barrier to entry has collapsed faster than most people realize. Thousands of creators and freelancers are already using these systems quietly to build income streams online, while millions of others still think AI is just a fun toy for generating images. AI is becoming the operating system behind modern online businesses, and the people learning it early are gaining a huge advantage. So I decided to test something crazy. What if I tried building a business with literally $0 using only free AI tools and strategy? Just artificial intelligence, consistency, and internet access. The first thing I realized was that most beginners fail because they start with the wrong business model. They immediately try to invent a new app or create a giant company. But the smartest approach is much simpler. Start with services first. Services create fast cash flow, require almost no money to launch, and teach valuable skills quickly. One person can now deliver work that previously required multiple people. That means beginners can compete much faster than before. The first step was choosing a service that businesses already needed. After researching trending markets, I noticed one thing clearly. Almost every business now wants more content online. Restaurants, gyms, clothing brands, real estate agents, and e-commerce stores all need videos, captions, thumbnails, marketing copy, and short-form content to survive online. Helping businesses create more content faster using AI tools. The workflow started with ChatGPT and Claude for scripting and captions, Canva for graphics, CapCut for editing, and 11 Labs for voiceovers. Instead of spending weeks learning advanced editing, I focused on speed and systems. A local business owner does not care if your transitions are cinematic masterpieces. They care about results. Can you help them post consistently? Can you improve engagement? Can you save them time? AI makes it possible to produce content in hours instead of days, which instantly becomes valuable for busy businesses. The next challenge was getting clients without spending money. Most people think they need paid advertising, but organic outreach still works extremely well if done correctly. I started by searching Instagram and Facebook for small businesses with weak social media pages. Many had terrible graphics, inconsistent posting, blurry videos, or outdated branding. Instead of sending generic messages, I created one free sample piece of content for each business using AI tools. A short edited reel, a redesigned post, or improved captions. Then I messaged the owner directly and showed the improvement. Business owners could instantly see the difference. Within days, replies started coming in. Some ignored the message completely, but a few responded with curiosity. Online business is not about getting everyone to say yes. You only need a few opportunities to start building momentum. The first client paid for weekly content management. More importantly, it created a case study. I documented the results carefully: increased views, better engagement, and more consistent branding. That case study then became proof for future clients. Once the first few clients arrived, the real power of AI became obvious. But AI changes the equation. Using automation tools like Notion, Zapier, and Make, repetitive tasks became much easier. Content ideas could be organized automatically, captions could be generated faster. Video clips could be repurposed into multiple formats for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels at the same time. One long podcast clip could become 10 short videos in under an hour. Research from Creator Economy reports also shows businesses are increasing spending on digital content every year because online attention directly affects sales. Companies that ignore short-form video are already falling behind. This creates a massive opportunity for individuals who understand AI-powered workflows. The demand is growing faster than the supply of skilled creators. That is why so many young freelancers are suddenly making more money online than traditional office jobs. Another major discovery was how important personal branding still is, even in an AI world. Audiences still connect with personality, storytelling, trust, and authenticity. AI speeds up execution, but humans provide direction. So instead of pretending to be a giant company, I documented the process publicly. I shared content about testing AI tools, building systems, improving workflows, and growing from zero. Ironically, that transparency started attracting even more clients because people trusted someone showing real progress instead of fake luxury screenshots. As the business grew, I expanded beyond content creation into digital products. This is where AI becomes even more powerful. Services generate active income, but digital products create scalable income. Using ChatGPT, Canva, and Notion templates, I created content calendars, social media templates, and beginner AI workflow guides for creators and businesses. Platforms like Gumroad and StamStore made selling simple. Again, no upfront investment was necessary. The biggest cost was time and consistency. The biggest challenge was not technology, it was discipline. AI tools are useless if someone constantly jumps between ideas without committing to one direction. Most people waste months chasing trends instead of building systems. The better strategy is choosing a simple business model and improving it continuously. Learn one skill deeply before adding more complexity. Today, AI coding tools like Cursor, Replit, GitHub Copilot, and Claude Code are also opening new opportunities beyond content creation. People with no technical background are now building websites, automations, AI chatbots, and small software products faster than ever. Simple tools solving niche problems can generate recurring monthly income. Even local businesses are now paying for AI-powered customer support systems and automations because they save time daily. The most important thing this experiment proved is that the opportunity is real, but action matters more than information. Millions of people watch motivational videos about AI every week, yet never actually build anything. Meanwhile, small creators quietly testing workflows are developing real businesses from their bedrooms. Artificial intelligence is not a magic money machine, but it is probably the biggest leverage tool ordinary people have ever had access to. For the first time in history, one person can operate with the speed and efficiency of an entire small company. The internet is entering a new phase where creativity, adaptability, and speed matter more than credentials. The people who win during the next decade will likely be those who learn how to combine human ideas with AI execution better than everyone else. Starting a business with $0 sounds impossible at first, but in 2026, it is becoming more realistic every single day for those willing to learn, test, fail, and keep building.